Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a magical hair pack powder that will last well for more than 100 days. One of the common complaints with natural beauty recipes is the low shelf life. I wanted to share a recipe with powerful hair growth promoting properties that can be stored at room temperature for a very long time. The best part about this recipe is it has only 3 ingredients. The main ingredient for this recipe is aloe vera powder. To make aloe vera powder, cut a fresh aloe vera leaf. Wash well to get rid of the slimy green juice. This is very important while making the powder. There should not be any trace of the green slimy juice, else it will cause itching and irritation. Now remove the thorns on both sides of the leaf and cut it in half. Cut into small pieces. If we cut into very small pieces, they'll dry faster. I have cut into small squares here, but you can also slice them very thinly too. It will make the drying process faster. Now spread the pieces in a single layer in a plate. You can also make this powder in bulk too. Sun-dry till crisp. It's peak summer here now, and my aloe vera pieces dried completely in about 3 days. The pieces should be dry and crisp like this without any trace of moisture, else the powder will spoil very soon. Now take the pieces in a mortar and pestle. Pound to get a smooth powder. You can also grind in a mixer too. If the pieces are crisp, it will be easier to grind. Once ground, sieve to get a fine powder. Now take the ground powder in a cup. Add an equal amount of coconut milk powder. Add an equal amount of hibiscus powder too. Now mix well. This powder should last well at room temperature for about 3 months or more if stored in an airtight box away from moisture. Aloe vera and hibiscus powder in the mixture promotes hair growth and treats scalp problems. Coconut milk powder helps condition the hair. If you're staying in a hostel or if you're a busy person who can't make hair packs from scratch often with fresh aloe vera gel, this pack will come in very handy for you. But suppose if you don't have access to fresh aloe vera gel, we get aloe vera powder in the markets too. Try not to skip coconut milk powder in this recipe as it helps make the hair super soft and shiny. This hair pack can be used by all age groups. Though it has only 3 ingredients, you'll be surprised how effective it is in treating scalp problems and promoting hair growth. To mix, take the required amount of powder in a cup. Add in enough water to mix. Now mix well till you get a smooth paste. To use, first massage your hair with hair oil of your choice. I have already shared many hair oil recipes. Use one that you like. After massaging, apply this hair pack. Wait for it to dry and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. This hair pack recipe does wonders if used regularly like I mentioned. If you have dandruff or itchy scalp, you can also add an equal amounts of neem powder too. You can use this hair pack weekly twice or thrice. Since this hair pack premix can be stored for months together and requires only water to mix, I'm sure everyone can try this pack. But please make sure to use this after oil massage. You'll be surprised how effective this pack is for promoting hair growth. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.